Determine whether the issue is a wiring fault or a faulty thermostat by checking if the equipment responds when the control board's function terminals are manually jumped. Start by turning off power at the system service switch and at the breaker to ensure safety. Then remove the thermostat cover and verify the wiring terminals are secure and free of corrosion. Brittle or discolored wire insulation often indicates a wiring problem rather than a thermostat defect. Use a multimeter set to continuity to test each thermostat conductor between the thermostat head and the air handler or furnace control board. Continuity confirms the wire is intact, while an open circuit points to a broken conductor or loose connection. If continuity is confirmed, energize the system and measure voltage between the appropriate control wires at the thermostat and at the control board to confirm the presence and correct magnitude of the control voltage. A missing or incorrect voltage at the thermostat indicates a wiring or transformer issue. To isolate the thermostat itself, momentarily jump the corresponding function terminals at the control board, apply the same connection the thermostat would make, and observe whether the equipment responds. If equipment operates when jumped, the thermostat or its local wiring is the likely culprit. When jumping terminals, use insulated tools or a short insulated jumper lead and avoid creating shorts between adjacent terminals. Consult the equipment wiring diagram and label wires before disconnecting to preserve correct reassembly. If the equipment does not respond to a proper jumper, inspect downstream components such as relays, contactors, transformer output, and safety interlocks for failures or tripped safeties before replacing major components. 3 common mistakes are jumping the wrong terminals and causing a short solution. Always verify terminal labels and consult the wiring diagram before applying a jumper. Second, assuming thermostat batteries or settings are irrelevant. Solution: replace batteries and set system mode and temperature properly before troubleshooting wiring. Third, neglecting to turn off power during wire handling. Solution: de-energize circuits for continuity checks and only apply power for live voltage measurements while observing strict safety practices. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with a network of local contractors for heating, ventilation, and air conditioning and general electrical work, helping homeowners compare reviews and verified credentials. Contractors gain access to qualified leads and local project opportunities, simplifying the process of finding reliable work.